When it comes to lighting up outdoor areas such as driveways, entrances, gardens and patios, getting an electric supply to them can sometimes prove troublesome. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the LTSL5R 5-watt LED outdoor round solar light. Our new solar technology has allowed us to develop this range with a higher light output and a more efficient way of charging the light, even in shady and cloudy areas. Being self-powered, the light utilises the daylight to recharge its battery, and the light requires no wiring whatsoever and costs absolutely nothing to run. The light has an impressive 5-watt output, producing up to 400 lumens, which is comparable to many GU10 lamps. The colour can also be changed with a simple switch on the included remote control, from warm white to cool white to daylight, creating the kind of ambience you desire. The remote can be used for on-off function control, and you can also set the length of nighttime light you need. You have a choice of several fixing options. The first of these is the LTSLSPK garden spike and LTSLEXT extension pole, making it suitable for lawns and garden beds. Then there is the LTSLPT post top base for mounting on posts and pillars, which can be used in conjunction with the extender pole, which will increase its height by 245mm, and you can use more than one if needed. Finally, there is the wall bracket for the sides of buildings, walls and entrances. The charging and discharging process is controlled intelligently without manual operation. It takes 6 hours of direct sunlight to fully charge and will last 3 to 5 days. Please note the performance of the lights may be affected by poor weather conditions, and during winter months light duration will be reduced. It has an operating range between -20°C and 45°C and is IP65 rated, making it suitable for all weather conditions. If you'd like to find out more or purchase, please visit the links somewhere around this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.